Gentility or share stupidity. Tinuka baby me. All I show them she say she like the boy. She like the boy. She say she feeling the boy. Say I'm the man. They say I'm the man. She say
Stop.
This man.
My brother, why are you punishing this guy? Why? Are you enjoying it?
Oh shit!
Your fellow Nigerian youth. Why?
Better mind your business. If I slap you.
Jesus!
Are you hearing me? Mind your business.
Just give me a minute. My brother, you will be free.
Look at you!
Just give me a minute.
okay.
Don't touch me. I said don't touch me.
My brother,
Don't touch me.
What is the problem? I have the right to
Do what?
doing my job.
Do what?
Just give me a minute.
Okay.
Oh, no.
You see, you have turned to a devil. From the result I have, you are now a wicked soldier. You have been trained to protect your people, not to punish them. A soldier is meant to protect his people, not to destroy. You can go. You are free. I've released you.
Thank you.
You can go, my brother.
Thank you, sir.
I personally release you.
Thank you,
You
sir.
can go.
Thank you, sir.
You can do nothing.
Jesus!
It's an order. You can do nothing, my brother. My brother, don't you dare. Don't you dare slap me. I'm just doing my job.
No, na me fuck up.
A few moments later.
Sorry, oh, may God not allow them make it. But we hope another defeat you learn.
No, na me fuck up.